You're a foodie.
Yeah, I love food.
You are definitely. Do you cook at home?
Any chance I get.
Yeah?
I try to, as much as possible.
What's your favorite food to cook?
My favorite go-to food morning would definitely be pancakes, hands down. And most people are like, oh, it's just like buttermilk, simple stuff.
Yeah. No?
Not always.
What do you do with your pancakes?
Something that I do with my pancakes, depending on the mood, is definitely add applesauce to it.
Okay.
So when you're making it,
I like that.
The batter and things, it actually makes it a lot softer, fluffier, and gives it a nice, rich taste to it.
And
instead of like putting buttercream or heavy milk, heavy cream, that kind of stuff in it, it's not worth it.
Applesauce.
And if you use organic applesauce, cinnamon apple, I like that. Otherwise, I'll take some dry fruit or some fresh fruit, chop it up, and mix it in with it also, or puree it, and then make the pancakes from there.
And do you spice it up with a little bit of Uncle Nearest whiskey?
You joke. I actually have tried that.
I'm sure you have.
It's good, but it does thin it out. So if you're going to do a crepe, I would say it would work better as a crepe than a pancake.
So I guess you could mix it in with the syrup.
You could mix it in with the syrup, yes.
That would work.
But you would also need to add cayenne pepper because I like my stuff spicy.
That gives it a little bit of a kick.
It gives it a kick, yeah.
765
FM Kokolo.